Why do you play random solos on stage? Why do you even go to church and confuse the congregants by playing off-key? 5 reasons are here to help you identify your problem and solve it. Number 1, chord progressions. You must have the knowledge of chords. For example, if the song being sung in church is in the key of F, don't accidentally play G. You shall have confused the whole band. If the song lead says that it is 1-4-5 in the key of F, be very keen to say 1-4-5. Very simple. Do not play 1-4 then come to G. You shall have confused the progression. So the chord progression, very important. If you want to know more about soloing within the chords, please visit my video, Solo Guitar over 4 chords. You shall get to understand more about it. But again, remember to comment so that I know where I'm wrong, what I should learn more, and how I should help you in the next stage. Anyway, if you have listened to this lesson up to this point, it means you are serious. Please subscribe and share if you feel that this content is beneficial to you. Thank you very much. Number 2, learning guitar by ear is a problem to you. Whenever any song is played, please have the listening ear to get to know which chords, which notes are being played. How do you know that? It is through practice. But again, there is a clue I want to give you. Choose the major scale whenever a song is being played. For example, the major scale of D. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, do, re. Very nice. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Continue with the same shape of that scale up to the point you'll feel the song is right on it. That is how to identify the key of the song. And if the song is in the key of D, you'll feel such a sound. If the song is in the key of E, you'll see such sound. They are different, okay? If the song is in the key of G, you'll feel this sound. Very important. Comment if you want any more explanation on this. Number 3, getting the key of the song is a problem to you. Getting the key of the song is a problem to you. Why? Because maybe the church lead or the band lead has just said it is F. You just play without inquiring more about what you are supposed to do or how to even know what the key is. Now, the key of the song can be anywhere so long as you have chosen it, and you can even transpose it. If you cannot sing in G, you can sing in A. If your voice is not compatible with G, you can sing in A. So the key of the song, very important. How do you identify the key of the song? It is related to whatever I've just explained, learning guitar by the ear. Very nice. So your ears must work. As a guitarist, your ear is the essential commodity you have. Number 4, practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Very important. I used to practice from 8 to 1. And still I practice. With guitar, you don't practice. If you don't practice in one day, your neighbor knows that you have not been practicing. In the second day, your audience will realize you have not been practicing. And on the third day, you are worse off. So with guitar, you have to practice. Practice. How do you practice? If you are a beginner, the style of practicing are different. The styles of practicing are different for a beginner. For an intermediate, very different. For a beginner, you will start with the finger picking, the right hand and the left hand. For an intermediate, you might choose a song, then follow along, play along with the song. For an expert, I don't know what you should do, but you can add more on the comment section. I promised there were 5. The 5th one is you to gain interest in playing guitar. Don't quit so soon. You might start playing guitar, then you feel your fingers are aching and you sit down for so long and you are indoors for so long, then you quit. Have the interest of playing guitar. So if you have interest, you shall be able to learn more and do more research. And through that, your soloing shall be very accurate and not random. If this content has helped you, please subscribe. If you are a new member, subscribe. If you are a new member, please feel welcome also. You don't need to ask. You belong here. Just sit on the channel and listen to whatever I'm been teaching here. Very nice. And share my content. Now, my one-on-one lesson is through this number 0792 544 905. I welcome you all and feel free to ask any question on the comment section. Thank you very much.